This is going to be the conclusion to the air conditioner problem. The problem turned out to be the motor. I replaced this head unit here and it didn't fix anything. Then I realized that the two actuators, one for the mode, which is these different ways the air can come into the system, and the mixer door, which is how the temperature is created by mixing cold and hot air together, are the same actuator, same part number, two different actuators. I was able to ohm out the one through the harness that works, and it measured less than 10 ohms. The other one measured infinite. It was opened. So that motor must be bad, or the connector is bad or something. But I have to conclude it's the motor. The motor is located under the dash. And let me turn flashlight. Well, might be hard to see, but the motor is right there. And you have to get that big harness of wires out of the way to reach it. And there's going to be two 8mm screws that hold that motor in place. You're only going to be able to get to one of them without removing the whole assembly from the car, I think. So I removed the one. That gave me some wiggle room on the motor, and I was able to disconnect the linkages that hook up to the motor. And from there, I pushed the linkages into the cold position, and that's just the way it's going to be. If you want to turn it into hot, you can, but you got to reach under there and pull it in. My hands are actually too big, but my son can do it, and I showed him how to do it. So in the winter time, if he needs hot, he'll have to reach in there and pull that thing out and get it in the hot position. Otherwise, it just stays in cold position, which is what we need 95% of the time in Texas. So that's my solution. New motors are not available. You can get used ones on eBay for like 50 bucks after tax and shipping. So that's it.